students, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. See here children, today third problem, verify whether the values of x given in each case are zeros of the polynomial or not. Here we have to verify the values of x which are given. So here some values of x are given here, x equal to minus 1 by 2, here x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2, and here some values and here value. So we have to verify these x values. We have to verify these x values whether they are the zeros of the polynomial or not. What is the zero of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial means when we substitute the x value in place of x, p of x becomes 0. P of x must be 0. Then at which value p of x is equal to 0, then that value is called the zero of the polynomial. So here ఎక్కడైతే మనకి p of x వాల్యూ p of x అనే పోలినామియల్ 0 అవుతుందో, ఏ వాల్యూ దగ్గర 0 అవుతుందో ఆ వాల్యూని మనం జీరో ఆఫ్ ద పోలినామియల్ అంటాం. అంటే మనకి ఈ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు p of x ఏమవ్వాలి, 0 అవ్వాలి. అలా 0 అవుతే మనకి అది జీరో ఆఫ్ ద పోలినామియల్ అవుతుంది, లేకపోతే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ద జీరో ఆఫ్ ద పోలినామియల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో నౌ లెట్స్ చెక్ గివెన్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ zeros of the polynomials or not. Okay, see here p of x equal to 2x plus 1 is given. What is the polynomial here? 2x plus 1. Okay, and x value is given, x equal to minus 1 by 2, means we have to check p of x value at x equal to minus 1 by 2. So x equal to minus 1 by 2, that means p of minus 1 by 2. So I am writing 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 in x place. In x place I am writing minus 1 by 2, 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So here x, that's why I am substituting minus 1 by 2 in that place. Okay, so here 2 into minus 1 by 2, 2 into minus 1 by 2, this 2 is in numerator and this is in denominator, that's why these two are cancelled each other. Then we have minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 means cancel each other, means we got 0. P of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 means what? P of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 means what? At x equal to minus 1 by 2, p of x equal to 0. Then this value is the zero of the polynomial. చూడండి ఇక్కడ, సో మనకి x equal to minus 1 by 2 దగ్గర పోలినామియల్ ఏమైంది, 0 అయిపోయింది. పోలినామియల్ 0 అయితే ఆ వాల్యూని ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం మనం, జీరో ఆఫ్ ద పోలినామియల్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. సో x equal to minus 1 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 వాల్యూ దగ్గర ఈ పోలినామియల్ 0 అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఈ minus 1 by 2 వాల్యూని ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం అంటే జీరో ఆఫ్ ద పోలినామియల్ అని తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, నౌ సీ సెకండ్ వన్, p of x equal to 5x minus pi. This is called pi. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, this is the scientific value of pi. So pi is an irrational number. The value of pi is 22 by 7 or in decimal form 3.14. Okay, so p of x equal to 5x minus pi. So we have to check this polynomial value at x equal to minus 3 by 2. So p of minus 3 by 2, I am substituting directly. P of minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus pi. So plus into minus, pi 3s are 15 by 2 minus pi. So here it is minus 15 by 2 minus pi. So it is not 0, it has some value, minus 15 by 2 minus pi. Pi is an irrational number, that's why this total value becomes irrational. So here we have some value, this is not 0, that's why minus p of minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 15 by 2 minus pi, means p is equal to, x equal to minus 3 by 2 is not the zero of the polynomial. Why it is not the zero of the polynomial? Because at this value p of minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 15 by 2 minus pi. So it has some value other than 0, that's why this is not the zero of the polynomial. Okay, now see third problem, p of x equal to x square minus 1 at we have to check this polynomial value, we have to check this polynomial value at x equal to plus or minus 1. Here see here x equal to plus or minus 1 means we have to check at x equal to plus 1 and also at x equal to minus 1. Plus or minus 1 means what? It is two numbers. One is plus 1, another one is minus 1. We have to check at two values. Okay. Now I am checking that x equal to 1. And I am checking at x equal to 1. Then p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Means p of 1 equal to 0 means what? At x equal to 1, p of x equal to 0. At x equal to 1, p of x equal to 0 means it is the 0 of the polynomial. 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So therefore, and also check for x equal to minus 1. Check for x equal to minus 1, then p of minus 1 equal to, see here, p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means what? Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 into 1, 1. So we have plus 1. That's why 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. P of minus 1 is also 0 means at x equal to or x equal to plus or minus 1 is the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Okay. So here these two values are the zeros of the polynomial. Why? At these values we got p of x equal to 0. Okay. Now see fourth problem. F of x equal to 3x square minus 1. We have to check this value is these two values are the zeros of the polynomial. So one is x equal to minus 1 by root 3 and next one is 2 by root 3. So first I am checking at minus 1 by root 3 at x equal to minus 1 by root 3. Then f of minus 1 by root 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. That is equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So it equal to 1 by 3. How it becomes 1 by 3? 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 it is. Here minus 1 by root 3 into minus 1 by root 3, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1 by root 3 into root 3 whole square means 3. Okay. Here square and root is cancelled and we have 3 only, minus 1. 3 cancel here, we have 1 only, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So we got at x equal to minus 1 by root 3, f of x equal to 0. Okay, means at x equal to minus 1 by root 3, x equal to 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now check at x equal to 2 by 3 we have. So now check x equal to 2 by root 3. Then see here f of 2 by root 3 equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. That equal to 3 into 4 by 3. 2 square means what? 4 by 3. Root 3 whole square means 3 minus 1. 3 cancel here. We have 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So we got f of x value at x equal to 2 by root 3. Here 3. So we have 3 value. It is not 0. We have 3. That's why x equal to 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So here we got f of x equal to 3. That's why this is not the 0 of the polynomial. Here we got f of x equal to 0. That's why this is the 0 of the polynomial. And here also at x equal to plus or minus 1 we got f of x value says 0. That's why these two values are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, children? Okay, children. So here I gave four polynomials. So you have to verify these polynomials whether these x values are the zeros of the polynomial or not. Okay, do these problems as homework children. Thank you, bye, see you in next class.